Welcome to today's piano tutorial of Holy Spirit in the key of G. We're going to start off by learning 3 chords for this song, which are G major, which I'll be playing below middle C, starting with G, B, and D, G major, moving up 1 position for A minor, which consists of A, C, and E, A minor. So again, that's G major and A minor. And the last chord we'll take a look at is C major, which consists of C, E, and G. But if you guys know me, instead of having that G on the top, we're going to move it down to the bottom. And this becomes C major in second inversion. This way, it's right next to our other chords, so there's no need for making any big jumps. And it sounds a lot nicer too. Moving on to our left hand, which we'll place in F position for the entire song, which means our pinky will rest on F and our thumb on C. Alright, now let's take a look at verse 1, which starts with G major for 8 counts, followed by C major for 8 counts, and that repeats. Let's try that hands together nice and slow, starting with G major. Ready? G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for C, right hand, the pinky stays exactly the same. C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that repeats back to G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for rhythm, what I like to do is alternate between the right and the left hand like so. Together, right, left, right, left, right, left. So that would sound like together, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, together, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left. Or since it's the beginning, you might also want to do together, right, right, left, right, left. So that would sound like together, right, right, left, right, left, right, 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 left, right, left, together, right, right, left, right, left, right, 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 left, right, left. Now what I like to do sometimes is on that repeat of the G and the C, I like to add a sus2 and a sus4 to the 4th beat. So for G, I'll be adding that sus4 with my 4th finger on C, because C is the 4th in G. G, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that'll sound like G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And for C major, I'll add my 4th on D, because D is number 2 in C. C, D, 1, 2. So it'll sound like C, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4. This is totally optional, so if you want, you can just keep that G and the C for 8 counts each and repeat in the right hand, or alternate between the hands, but by adding this simple detail, we'll definitely be adding something extra to your sound. Verse 1 just repeats with some different lyrics, which I've labeled as verse 2, and then moves on to the chorus, which starts exactly the same, with G major for 8 counts, but then moves to C for only 4 counts, and then A minor for 4 counts, and that repeats, ending with G major and C major for 8 counts. Let's try that hands together from the beginning of the chorus. Ready? And Holy Spirit, you are welcome here. C, 2, 3. Now for A, and we'll just pull our thumb up. A, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, C, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, add the sus, your presence, Notice how in the left hand I also like to add octaves with the C, which means I just play C with my thumb and C with my pinky and add the second finger on G, and I roll that. It definitely adds a lot of depth and sound, and I absolutely love it, but feel free to just do C with your thumb, or feel free to do an octave to practice. Now, if you feel like you want to repeat that chorus at any time, you'll just want to do a shorter version of the ending, so end with A minor, and then go back to the beginning and add that G major and C major at the end for 8 counts. That'll lead you straight into the verse again or into the bridge. All right, moving on to the bridge, we'll start with G major for 8 counts, and that repeats. Then moving on to part 2 of the bridge, we'll start with C major and then go to G/B, which means we'll play a G major in the right hand with B in the left. That is our G/B chord. You could totally ignore that and just play a G in the left hand as well, but with a little bit of practice, it'll make a huge difference in sound. And then that goes to A minor, and then back to G/B or G major, all for 2 counts, and that repeats. Notice how when you do that slash chord, the left hand will just be going down by a step. C, B, A, and then back to B, C, B, A, B. Simple. After the repeat, we'll just end with C major for 4 or 8 counts, depending on which one you like, and that'll lead us back into our final chorus. Let's try that. Hands together from the beginning of the bridge. Ready? G major for 8. Ready? G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let us experience the glory of... Now for part 2 with C major for 2, and then G/B, and then A minor, G/B, that repeats. Let us experience the glory of your... I like to repeat that. G/B, A minor, G/B, A minor now, G/B, and ending with C for either 4 or 8. 6. Now for the chorus. All right, now for our final chorus, which is exactly like our chorus. Feel free to repeat the chorus as many times as you like, but you'll definitely want to end with the extended version with that G sus4 or G major and C major chord for 8 counts each at the end, and just end with a G major chord. Now for our optional intro, I like to play a G major sus4 and then a G major sus2. So you know that sus4 is just adding the C here, but the sus2 is just going to be adding our second finger on A because A is the second in G. So that'll sound like G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, sus. I'll try it one more time. Ready? So with just the right hand, it'll sound like, add the 4th, add the 2nd. Hands together, it'll sound like G, 2, 3, add the 4th, G, 2, 3, 2. One last time, G. That's it, guys. If you'd like to hear those chords with vocals, click the video in the description box below for part 2 of this video, and feel free to play along with me. And that's it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and comment down below with what your favorite worship song is that you'd like to see me do next. Love you guys, and see you next time.